Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Inshort app error on your phone. So I am using Android phone. So when I'm trying to browse news topic in the Inshort app, so at that time I am facing this type of irritating error. As you can see guys, in my screen could not fetch news. Please try again. This means guys, the internet connection is not good on your phone. At that time only you can get this type of irritating error on your phone. So close the app and first you need to check your internet connection. Okay, open any other app like YouTube, Google Chrome, browse your internet. Let's see how your internet is performing on other apps. So the internet is very good while using the other app, only you are facing the error in the Inshorts app. So at that time guys, you can try the next method. So open the Play Store and simply here you need to search Inshort, and if the app update is available, just simply update your app. Okay, after updating the app, now it will helps you to fix your problem. Okay, so one more thing you can try this guys, you need to check your phone's date and time. If the phone date and time is incorrect, just correct the date and time. Okay, now it will fix your problem. So one more thing guys, so these all things are steps are very basic, but it will helps you to fix your problem. So you need to check your phone's internal storage. If the phone internal storage is not free, at that time you can also get this type of problem. So one more thing you can try guys, just tap and hold on your app, go to app info, go to storage. Now you need to clear the cache and clear the data of this app. That's it. Okay, now restart your phone and open the app. Now it will fix your problem 100%. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this irritating error on the Inshorts app. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.